This is Brody the Cuber, and he recently made this video where he solved a 3x3 using a method which took him more than 4000 moves, and I just had to try this method. So how this method works is, instead of doing turns the way you normally would, you do this long sequence of moves just to do one R move. So that would look like this. And as you can see, after the whole sequence, all I've done is just an R move on the cube. Similarly, if I want to turn any other face, say the front face, then I put that face on the right and do the sequence. And as you can see, I've done one F move. So I've actually tried this method before, but this is the first time I'm doing it on cam. So let's see what happens. Here I have a new scramble, so I can start solving now. So the cross looks okay. Okay, so the cross is done, and I probably won't be talking much because I just want to get over with this as fast as I can. First pair doesn't look too good. I'm just trying not to mess up. Messing up would be really bad. Okay, so the first two pairs are done, and I also have like this free third pair, so that's really good. Whoa! So I can actually cancel a few moves right here. This is good. I think I just messed up. Oh no. I managed to like preserve this block, but I was almost at the end of F12, so that's bad. Okay, so F12 is done, but the bad news is I have a dot case. Last layer is gonna be tough, I can already tell. Almost done with OLL. Oh yes, I got a T-perm. This is quite good. I know I said that earlier and it didn't turn out to be too good, but I don't think I'll mess up on this one. This is actually really stressful because messing up is really easy. I think I'm getting there. I'm almost there. I won't mess up. I can't. One last move. Come on, let's do this. Yes, done. Under 15 minutes. I think that's quite good. So I think Brody's time was around 25 minutes and looks like I beat him, but that's not really the point. I mean, I just tried this because I thought it was a fun challenge to try. So that's it for the video. If you tried this challenge, then let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a like and subscribe to this channel and help us reach 100 subscribers. Stay tuned for our future videos.